Welcome to A Taste of K. In this video, I'll be showing you how I clean and season goat meat that I'll be using in a future recipe. I have about 4 pounds of goat meat, Haitian épices, thyme, chicken bouillon powder, lime, ground clove, salt, lemon and lime, as well as vinegar. The goat meat I purchased was already cut up into chunks. What I'll be doing is going through and removing all of the visible fats. After removing the fat, I'm going to give it a quick rinse under cold water. After I've rinsed it under the cold water, I'll drain it, I'll add some salt, vinegar, and I'll begin to clean each piece of meat with some lemon and lime. You will also need a pot of boiling water to finish the cleaning process. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'll go ahead and squeeze the lime juice that I'll use after the cleaning process. Add the boiling hot water to the meat and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After the meat has been sitting in the boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to give it a final rinse. Don't forget to remove the lemon and the lime pieces. Now that the meat is clean, we can move on to the marinating process. Add the meat to a clean bowl. Add 1 packet of the chicken bouillon powder, some ground clove, the juice of 1 lime, and the Haitian épices. My Haitian épices is filled with lots of garlic, green onions, parsley, bell pepper, celery, and other items. In a future video, I'll show you how I make mine. Mix the meat so that all the pieces can be covered with the Haitian épices. Add the thyme and 2 chili peppers. Normally I would add habanero pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper, but since I was out, I had to settle for the chili pepper. And there you have it, cleaned and marinated goat meat. I'll let this meat marinate overnight, and in the next video, I'll show you how to turn this into stewed goat meat with okra. Thank you for watching.